What's good? We back with another one at Veho. Gotta load this down. Let's go ahead and do it. Alright. We got it loaded up. Nice and orderly. Got the ones, twos, threes, fours, fives, and all that good stuff. I think that's 5 all in the front. Oh snap. You say I sound like him or look like him?
You look like him. I just blend.
Somebody else said that.
You
same
do.
thing.
Ooh, I thought that was Buddy Bagg.
That's
Somehow
crazy.
I got quiet. Real quiet. Okay.
That's funny.
I was messing up my count.
We got the 26, 27s, 28s, and all that on that side. All right, to the next spot. Okay, dropping off the Vehos, taking pictures of the address, and now we heading to package drop off number 4. This place I just left had 2 packages. I didn't pull it out the driveway. It was like, you already reached the second, the third stop. I was like, wow. So now, on to the next. Let's keep going. All right, as we normally do, checking in with a bunch of the route already done. We got about 6 or 7 more to do. Y'all know it's something. So what they did is, let's say, okay, so 27 and 28 are the last 2 I got to do, but they're like way up here on the map, and all the other ones are down here, like within the city. So I'm like, who did that route? Like, who put that together? Because it don't make sense. Like, when I get done dropping off 26 to go to 27 and 28, it's probably gonna be like 30 minutes. Why would I have to drive way out there, man? It just don't make sense. So we just gonna hurry up and drop these off. Look, let me show y'all. So we are here, got to finish up. Why is 27 and 28 way up there? Like, 1 was down there, 2, 3, 4. Okay, cool. It's got us going through 24, 25, all of those, 19, whatever. Why we gotta go way back over there above where? It don't make sense, man. I don't get it. Let me show you again. Way up there is where the route ends. We down, Buckhead and all of that. Way up there. They wrong for that. Like, it ain't no way that should have been on my route. That should have been on somebody else's route, whoever's up there. Like, whoever got the route way up there should have got these too. All right, so we done with everything except for those last 2 sitting back there laughing at me. Now let's see how far these last 2 are. I'm about to hit the button right now. Viewing maps. Hopefully they not too far driving. Okay, you say 8 minutes. Better than I thought it was gonna be. 3 miles. Let's hurry and drop these last ones off and get up out of here. Done for, not done for the day. I'm probably gonna do some more DoorDash and stuff. I had another app, but they had given all the daggone routes out. So now I gotta make up that money. I was expecting $100, plus dollars. I gotta make up some of that money doing another app, man. I got to. So if I don't do it before, 3 o'clock, I do it after, like, 3 or 5 or something like that. But I'll let you know. Let's do it. All right. Finishing route. Start wrap up. Confirm. 5 stars. Submit. Boom. 74.28. That means we still got to at least do $25 on another app to complete the $100 a day challenge. I will be doing that. But y'all subscribe to the channel, like the video. Y'all know how we do, man. I'm just trying to show y'all, trying to motivate y'all, put you on a couple of apps, and get that bread myself. Let's do it. Lastly, join the Facebook groups: GoPuff Nationwide Drivers, Veho Nationwide Drivers, Roadie Nationwide Drivers, and those 3 right there get you rolling. But you also still got Fetch Nationwide Drivers, you got Freight Nationwide Drivers, and let me think of another one that I got. Just join those and you'll see me in there. You'll see. Just ask me if you don't see something else. Catch y'all on the next one. Okay, so just like that, push that seat back. Picking up a DoorDash. It's like $9, something like that. Let's make the drop. All right, we pulled up. Let's make the drop. All right, we're picking up a Zaxby's. It's like 2 miles. It's only $6, but it's all good. It was one of them orders where they give you for having a good acceptance rating, like low miles, high pay. So they say, quote unquote. Y'all know what I'm talking about if you do DoorDash. But yeah, so it's a DoorDash. Just taking the drinks out of the thing, because sometimes it's better to carry them in your own cup holder. All right. What the world? I see a little something on the inside of their cup. They did that. Ain't no way I can get inside the cup. All right, let's make this drop. All right, we pulled up. Let's make this drop. Okay, so we back in the car. Nighttime grind. I'm picking up a order from Cold Stone for $7.50, and I got an order just offered to me to stack this with the $8.50 China Moon order, which is right behind here. So that was what? That's $16. And then I had did 74 plus 15 earlier, which put me at, do my math right, let's just say 75 plus 15, that's 90, plus this 16, 106. So this is the $100 challenge complete right here with this order, and then the next one I'm about to go pick up right now. So just want to tap in with y'all and let you know the $100 challenge is still going on. So subscribe to the channel, like the video. I'm up out of here. Deuces. Tesla. Tesla Roadster.